We're in the Tipmasters PDF and we're in an area called Create Incorrect Angles. We need to create a workable angle even when on the wrong side of the pocket line. In drill number 1 in this game of 10 ball, we're on the 5 ball and we need to create an angle on the 6 ball to get on the 7 ball. Our ideal angle is location B, but ending up here is risky. Instead, we'll create a rolling angle on the 6 ball, labeled A, that we can use to go 3 rails for the 7 ball. Alright everyone, I will do 3 locations in B and 3 locations in A. We do risk scratching for location B, and I will shoot the 5, 6, and 7 ball. I won't shoot the rest. Alright everyone, let's sticker this up and get to it.